Trendy houseplant display ideas. One of the best parts of owning tons of houseplants is getting to display them in whichever way that you see fit. But the larger the houseplant collection, the harder it is to display them. However, no matter the size of your collection, these houseplant display ideas will inspire you to show your collection off in the best way possible.
1. Wire shelving plants. If you've got a massive collection, a wire shelving unit is going to give you the most display space or bang for your buck. What's great about these units is that you can easily slide the shelves up and down, so you can put your biggest plants wherever you think looks best. 3. Hang them up plan. If you've run out of room on the floor or on your shelving units for any additional houseplants, hang them up instead. Hanging houseplants gives any home more of a relaxing feel and it doubles your space for plants. 4. Floor planters are large containers or pots designed to hold and display plants on the floor or ground level, rather than being placed on a raised surface like a table or shelf. These planters come in a variety of shapes, sizes, materials, and styles to suit different preferences and interior or exterior decor schemes. Floor planters are often used in indoor spaces such as living rooms, hallways, or office lobbies to add greenery and visual interest to the environment. They can also be used outdoors on patios, balconies, or garden areas to create focal points or define boundaries. 1. Size. Floor planters are typically larger in size compared to tabletop or hanging planters, allowing them to accommodate larger plants or multiple plants in one container. 2. Material. They can be made from various materials such as ceramic, terracotta, metal, fiberglass, plastic, or woven materials like rattan or wicker. 3. Drainage. Many floor planters come with drainage holes at the bottom to prevent waterlogging and promote healthy root growth. Some may also include saucers or trays to catch excess water and prevent mess. 4. Design. Floor planters come in a range of designs, from simple and modern to ornate and decorative. Some may feature intricate patterns, textures, or embellishments to enhance their aesthetic appeal. 5. Mobility. Depending on their size and weight, some floor planters may be portable and easy to move around, while others may be more stationary and intended for permanent placement. Whether used indoors or outdoors, floor planters can be versatile and practical additions to any space, allowing you to incorporate plants into your decor and create inviting and visually appealing environments.